Okay, so the next step is we're going to install the control horns. And again, these are going to just be installed using foam tack glue. So there's going to be one on the top of each aileron. There will be one on the left side of the rudder and one on the top of the elevator. Okay, so we've gone and installed the control horns on the rudder. We've installed them on the ailerons, as you can see. And we've installed one of the control horns on the elevator. Okay, in the next step, we're going to install the winglets on the wings. And again, these just go on with good old foam tack glue here. So there's a larger one and a smaller one. The larger one goes on the inside here. The small one goes on the outside there. So we'll go ahead and install those. What I like to do is I like to test fit all my parts before I glue them. So I test fitted the wing fins on one wing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some foam tack glue on those and I'll glue them in place. So we'll do that. Again, the small wing outlet, the small one goes on the outside of the wing, and then the larger one goes on the inside. So we'll do these. These go on really easy. Just a little foam tack glue. There's that side done. We'll do the same for the other side here. I'm really impressed with the quality of this kit. Techone has actually really stepped up their game in the lightweight EPP planes. These are probably dollar for dollar one of the best trainer 3D planes, because if you crash an EPP plane, as you see, it's just going together with like contact cement. These planes can really take a crash and not break. So for the first time pilot looking in to get into 3D, I really recommend EPP. It's pretty crash resistant, so you can learn while you're flying without keeping replacing and building your plane all over again. You're not going to get that with the Depron kit. Okay, so this will be the next piece that we do. This is the motor mount. And what we're going to do again, we're going to continue to use my foam-tack glue. I'm going to glue this to the front of the plane. This is where the motor is. Now again, since this is contact cement, I'm going to press it in place here and I'm going to take it off. Let the glue tack up a little bit. That way it'll make a better bond with it when we're done here. That way when I go to push it on there again, it really sticks nice. And boy did it. I'm just gonna hair it there. Okay, so we're gonna press this in. Just press it in place. Again, this is what the motor mount looks like attached to the front of the plane. So we've done that. So at this point, we've installed the motor mount, the wing inlets, all the control surfaces, the upper part of the fuselage, the rudder. So we're going to just let all this dry up, and then we're going to start installing the electronics. So the next video of this build we'll be installing the servos and the control horns and the linkage. And hopefully if everything goes well, and I believe I have a motor that I can use for this, we can get this up and running and maybe get a test flight by this weekend. So keep watching for videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video down below and share this series with friends. I'm going to post this actually on the RC groups to this point. Again, I want to thank Debbie from Techone Hobbies for sending me this kit. So stay tuned for more build videos coming soon.